So here's Syracuse, New York's new heavy rescue. It's an SVI heavy rescue on a Sutphen chassis here, and just getting delivered here in a couple days. And we've got Fry 2012 going on right now. So let's take a look here at the truck. It's got slam doors on the truck, and then roll-up doors inside. You can see there, it's just got a bunch of open compartment storage. Got electric reel here, as well as a little fair lead thing there. A junction box with some extension cord holders. The high voltage stuff there. Next one back. Got a hydraulic system with two fair lead things on either side of the doors, and then a dual line hydraulic reel on either side. There's the big Amkus power unit. There's another hydraulic reel. There's the control panel for the hydraulic systems. It's a Amkus Pro Fusion. There's another hydraulic unit and some UPF toolboxes. It's got the receiver tie-ups there, as well as 120 volt outlets in the sills. Got a slip floor here for cribbing storage and whatnot. Just a big open compartment with some vents on either side. In this compartment here we've got storage for, let's see, 4, 8, quite a few of SVI cylinders, and some down below. And you got some protective stuff on the door to keep them from bashing into the door. And then in the farthest compartment back, just open storage again, some shelves, a couple 1,000-pound slide-out trays. Nothing too special there. And then walking around the back, you got the entry door in the back there, as well as a bunch of 900 and 600 series LEDs. And some FRC Spectras, I believe, on either side. And then on the sides of the truck, you've got 5 of them per side. You can see 2 in the rear, 2 in the front, and 1 in the middle. Down here you got just another receiver. It's not a hitch, it's just a receiver. Then let's go inside here. It's got clear lights or red lights for night operations. And back here, I don't know if you can see it or not, but we got a little industrial air compressor. And then both sides here is just open storage like this. You can kind of see it there. Then this area here doesn't have a roll-up door, it's just open. And then in behind here is the 12-volt panel. And here we got even more storage. And then we got some storage for some long skinny stuff here. Then you got another light control here. In the back of the cab, you got some overhead cabinets, 2 of them here, seating for 6 people. You see the electrical system here, got the traffic advisor controller and the siren controller, as well as a lockable cabinet on the back of each of these, because right now you can see they're locked. If you turn the lock, then they open. Nothing too fancy, but it gets the job done. You got a little outlet there. Then we'll go over to the driver's side of the truck here. the back compartment here, just have a lot of open storage. Got a couple vertical dividers there on the right side for whatever you need to store in there. Then here's the low pressure air reel with a extendable fair lead that's hooked up to the industrial air compressor. You got the regulator and everything there. Got some airbag storage up there. And even more cribbing storage here. There's a receiver in the fender. And on this side, it's a carbon copy of the other side. You got two of these extendable fair leads and two dual line hydraulic hose reels and the big Amkus power unit, as well as the control panel. And you got some hydraulic tool storage here in the tray here. You can kind of see that spacer there. So the tray automatically comes out when you open it. Both half and all the way. Kind of cool. And then you got some more equipment storage there. There's the hydraulic oil cooler. And finally, have a carbon copy of the other side as well, just a little bit different. It's got some open tool storage and the fair lead extension thing, and the electric reel, as well as a junction box and some electric or extension cord holders there. And you got 5 FRC Spectra lights on this side as well as on the cab. And here's the front of the truck. You got a nice winch, a receiver there, a light bar, a couple of brow lights. And you also got a FRC Spectra light on this side of the cab. So, anywho, that is Syracuse, New York's newest rescue. Hope you enjoyed it. It's coming out to the East Coast soon.